Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the notes of Karnataka State Syllabus Class 7 Social Science History Chapter 2 Bahmani Adil Shahs. If you want the notes of other lessons, kindly check the playlist of my channel. You can easily get from there. First main, fill in the blanks. Number 1, Bahmani dynasty was established in the year 1347 CE. Kalaburgi was capital of Bahmani Sultans. Firoz Shah set up Firozabad city on the banks of Bhima river. Muhammad Gawan set up madrasa in the year 1461. Founder of Barid Shahi dynasty was Qasim Barid. Founder of Golconda's Qutub Shahi state was Quli Qutub Shah. Founder of Imad Shahi dynasty was Fatahullah. Second main, answer the following in one sentence. Question number 1, who was the founder of the Bahmani dynasty? Answer, the founder of the Bahmani dynasty was Alauddin Hassan Gangu Bahman Shah. Question 2, who was Muhammad Gawan? Answer, Muhammad Gawan was a Persian and worked honestly as a prime minister in the reign of the Sultanate. Question 3, where is the Solakam Mosque? Answer, Solakam Mosque is in Bidar. Question 4. Name the prominent person among Adil Shahi Sultans. Answer. Ibrahim Adil Shah II was the prominent person among Adil Shahi Sultans. Question 5. What is called as Taj Mahal of South India? Answer. Ibrahim Rauza in Vijaypur was built by Ibrahim Adil Shah II in the memory of his wife Taj Begum is called as Taj Mahal of South India. Question 6. Why is Gol Gumbaz famous? Answer. Because it is a big and great building. It has a big dome with a whispering chamber inside with a fine technology. It is the 4th largest dome in the world and the 1st largest dome in India. Question 7. Who has Jagadguru Badshah title? Answer. Ibrahim Adil Shah II had the title Jagadguru Badshah. Discuss in group and answer. Question number 1. Name Muhammad Gawan's achievement. Answer. Muhammad Gawan captured Hubballi, Belagavi and Goa from the Vijayanagara Empire. The administration was according to Islamic laws. He encouraged revenue and postal services. He fixed taxes on the basis of land's fertility and irrigation facility. The tax was being collected in cash only. He removed the taxes which were annoying the people. As a philosopher himself, he founded Madrasa University in Bidar. It encouraged the Islamic religion and law education. Muhammad Gawan contributed a lot in making the Bahmani kingdom great. Question 2. Name 5 Shahi dynasties. Answer. The 5 Shahi dynasties are Adil Shah of Vijaypur, Bijapur 1489 to 1510, Barid Shah of Bidar 1489 to 1619, Qutub Shah of Golconda 1512 to 1687, Nizam Shahs of Ahmednagar 1490 to 1636, Imad Shah of Berar 1490 to 1580. Question 3. Ibrahim Adil Shah had religious tolerance. Discuss. Answer. Ibrahim Adil Shah II was the great king during his period. The kingdom was expanded. He was tolerant of other religions. He sheltered many Hindu philosophers, poets and musicians in his court. He renovated Datta temples in his fort and encouraged puja rituals. He worked for the cultural harmony of Hindu-Muslim. The book begins with worshipping the gods like Ganapati, Saraswati, Bhairava and others. By these examples, we can understand he had religious tolerance. Next main, match the following. Here are the column A and column B. For that, here are the answers. So this is all about your lesson, Bahmani Adil Shahs. As I have told you, if you want the more lessons, kindly check the playlist of my channel.